Hi guys, this is Mark. So, Tagalog muna tayo for today's video because it's gonna be a big announcement. It's gonna be for the raffle, and also me and Sarah are getting married. And I'm sorry if I'm not gonna be inviting everyone kasi magtitipid lang talaga kami, and thank God makakasal kami sa church, which is free of charge, to acknowledge Iglesia ng Diyos kay Cristo Jesus. Thank you so much for that. And in regards to the raffle, guys, I do appreciate you joining, and that's the reason why I'm doing the raffle. All the fans na may ipon doon ay para dun sa wedding namin. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Naging part kayo neto. Kung sa mananalo, congratulations sa lahat ng mga nag-join. Thank you so much. At yung raffle draw natin ay bukas, Sunday. And I'll be just doing the live, and it's gonna be an elimination game, elimination raffle. We're gonna be spinning the wheel, and the last three would be the winner. The last one would be the grand prize, and so on and so forth. And guys, thank you so much for supporting us. If you may like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sana 007, and Facebook page. Ayun, sana supportahan niyo po kami. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. God bless po, at mag-iingat po kayo palagi. I love you, baby, and can't wait na makasal sa'yo. And shoutout pala sa family ko, sa family ni Tito Tita, and sa lahat. And I love you all, guys.